Hi guys, how are you? I am Junaid and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to install Python step by step. So, let's move on our topic. First of all, we check is it Python is installed in the system or not. So, I am writing here cmd. I will check through this. For checking Python, we need to run command python variant. You can watch this. Python was not installed. So now we go to Google and search here Python download. Python download. Python.org is the official website in which you can download Python version. You will click on download Python. I have already downloaded it, so I will not download now. I will go to move download and double click on Python. So now we add to path and then customize installation and then next, again next. It is installing. It will take some time to install Python setup, so we need to wait for some time. Now you can see setup was successful. It means Python setup is installed. So I close this and now I check it again if the Python is installed or not. So we need to open command prompt and I will run that command again. Python variant. Now you can check Python dot 11.2. It means Python installed with the version 3.11.2. So guys, I hope you will like my video and please subscribe our channel and like it. Also click bell icon so that you can get notified when I will upload next video. Thank you.